Sean here from the amazing country of Thailand. Today we're in Hua Hin and we're going to check out Hua Hin Beach. Let's go! And embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. So I hope you're sitting back somewhere really comfortable on your couch, ready to enjoy this, because I'm about to share with you this sunrise, which is very relaxing, very soothing. So sit back and enjoy as I share this sunrise with you. Just made it down to Hua Hin Beach early this morning to capture a sunrise. Have a look at this. So the sunrises here in Hua Hin are pretty good. You don't get the haziness that I've seen in places like Da Nang or Koh Samui. Yeah, it's surprising because it's in the Gulf like Koh Samui as well, but you just don't get that haze that you get. Maybe it's the time of year, it's summertime now, where I was in like the cooler months. Still, I think the haze comes from humidity from the heat, so it doesn't make much sense. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So here we are, Hua Hin Beach. It's pretty awesome. It's a really long stretch of white sand beach. It's a bit rocky just here, but head up here where it's a lot nicer. You can go for a swim up there. There's a lot of resorts along the beach, but the beaches aren't private, which is good. So anyone's welcome to come down and walk along the beach. You can ride horses along the beach as well. It's about, I think it's like 400 baht for 20 minutes. So, not too bad. So Hua Hin is about 2 to 3 hours southwest of Bangkok. So it's in the Gulf of Thailand. And it's quite relaxed here. It's like it's a lot more laid back than Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, other places, and the beaches are much longer. It's a nice stretch of beach, less beer bars and nightlife, but yeah, a lot more chill and relaxed as well. So currently in May here in Hua Hin, and the beaches are still really good, but it's like the end of summertime here in Thailand, and it's just before the rainy season starts, so we are starting to get rain a lot more common here now. So as the season changes, we're going from summer to rainy season, so it's still hot. Thailand really only has two seasons: hot and rainy, or hot and sunny. And then months of from mid-March through to mid-May, it gets really hot. That's like the summertime, with an average of like 40 degrees a day for a couple of months of the year. It's quite nice if you've got a beach and a pool and you're at a location like this. Where else would you want to be to cool down? It's quite good. Let's go in for a swim. Enjoy some of this beach. For a place right on the beach, the water's pretty clear here. Waves aren't really big here, and being summertime here, it's been really hot, so I've been sitting in air conditioning, so I haven't had much chance to develop a tan or anything. This is nice. Pretty nice stretch of beach, really can't complain. Hua Hin's a good location if you're not too worried about nightlife. They do have bars and clubs here, but nothing like the party centrals of Phuket, Pattaya and Bangkok, so yeah. If you're not too keen on nightlife, then Hua Hin is a great location. Definitely good for a holiday. At the southern end of Hua Hin Beach. There's a big Buddha just up here, so I'm gonna go check it out. So here we are, there's the big golden Buddha up on the mountain there. Looks pretty cool. Just grabbed a drink, sitting by the beach, gonna chill for a bit, have a beer. Yeah, this is Hua Hin Beach, pretty good. So the activities that you can do down here, you've got the horse riding, jet skiing. I see the windsurfers out and about here as well, so got a bit of that going on. So yeah, but the waves are pretty small. Outside of that, you're probably not going to catch much wave surfing or doing any of that kind of stuff, so yeah. Yeah, but it all looks pretty good. It's a nice beach actually. It's probably a bit underrated, but yeah, definitely worthwhile checking out. Right, cheers. So that's it from Hua Hin Beach. I am going to be doing more from Hua Hin. I'll have the monthly wrap as well from here. And then I'm off to somewhere which I am intrigued to go back to, but last time I was there I spent way too much time in the main areas of the island. So we are on our way to Bali, so heading back there, looking forward to it. Not going to spend any time in Canggu, Kuta, Seminyak, all of those busy, very touristy areas. Mainly going to stick to Ubud, head over to Nusa Penida on the island there for a few weeks as well, spend some time in Uluwatu, and also in Mandak, which is up in the northern part of Bali, up in the mountains. So looking forward to that, near the volcanoes up there. Should be nice. Yeah, and it's the peak season too, so it's the best weather. It's not so hot and no rain, so it should be good, or at least a lot less rain. I'm spending 3 weeks in Ubud, so there's definitely going to be some rain there. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, thank you, you're awesome. And if you've stuck around to the end, you're amazing. You're the reason why I make these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.